y'all, it's Laura, and I wanted to share with you my March kit. Now, because we are doing a video every single day in March for Scrap Madness with the wonderful Miranda Weber and lots of guest designers, I thought I would make a pretty large kit that would be easy and exciting to use. So this is based on a Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit about Indigo Hills 2 and mixed with some things from my stash as well. So to start with, let's pull out the papers. Okay, so for the 12 by 12 papers, I'll just quickly flip through. This is Indigo Hills 2. I think I have just one of each of these papers. Beautiful blues, grays, purples. Absolutely love purple. And little splashes of coral and kind of a yellowy gold. So some beautiful, beautiful designs here that are going to be super easy to use. Love this wreath. I've seen that used quite a lot. Love the navy. It's just a really beautiful collection. So this floral is gorgeous. Love that too. And this one. So a couple different shades of purple and blue. And then this is Indigo Hills 1 from my stash, which is slightly different, but of similar color tones. The designs have a little bit more teal to them, whereas the Indigo Hills 2 really does not. It also has more of this kind of a mustard yellow. So it's an interesting mix, even little pops of pink. So I'm getting a pretty good color scheme here without it being terribly limiting, but all of these papers are super easy to use. I don't think I have a single one that I would consider difficult. And then I have this specialty paper from Indigo Hills 1, absolutely beautiful, and this one. So all kinds of papers. And then I also have the 6x6 Indigo Hills 2 paper pad and the, here it is, the Hip Kit Club cards that went with this collection. So I had those in my stash. I figured let's just use them. I do have some pocket pages I need to do for 2016 before I decided, because I'm not doing any Project Life this year, but I am doing it for a couple of past years. Then I'm mixing in some Studio 40 Moonchild. I have the 6x6 paper pad. It's a double-sided paper pad, similar in color tones. Some of them are a little bit richer. Thought that would be fun. And then there are some cards from that collection as well. And those came in a grab bag at some point. Now I have the thickers for Indigo Hills 2 from Pinkfresh, and then the simple and sweet ones are the same color tone, and I have 2 packs, so I decided to go ahead and toss in one of those. And then I have pretty much everything from the Indigo Hills 2 collection. I have the chipboard frame, lots of frames. Those will be fun to play with. And then I have the tiny alphas in 4 colors. I have the puffy stickers, the gold foiled wood pieces. I have the phrase stickers and the journaling spots, as well as the ephemera. Which, interesting, the ephemera is much brighter than the papers, and I think that's going to be a fun juxtaposition to play with, because there's so much of that beautiful coral and yellow and pink. Have the enamel dots. I have, these are the only embellishments I have left from Indigo Hills 1. So just some chipboard hearts. I have the Moonchild phrase stickers, so that'll be fun to throw in the mix. Lots of purple. And then I grabbed 2 sequin mixes. This first one is called My Happy Heart, and it was made specifically for this collection, Indigo Hills 2. And I don't know if this one was specifically made for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, but she did give it to me from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and it's got little wood grain hearts and some of that gorgeous navy, pops of pink and purple. Perfect. Then I also grabbed these Hexaglam sequins from Spiegelbaum Scraps because that gold is very similar to the gold in the thickers. So there's that. Now I also got this from my Secret Not Secret kit. I don't know if I'll use this or not, but it is a Creamies Shimmers paint called Purple Peony. So that is my kit for March. Very excited to play with this. I love purple. It's my absolute favorite color. And so very excited to play with so much purple, but product focus, before I forget. The product focus for March will be ribbon and trim. So I'm going to bring in some of my absolute favorite Paper Studio ribbon. I especially like to cut it in half and use it as two different designs. I also have my favorite twine that has gold running through it, same tone of gold that's in the kit. And then I have this bag of goodies here. Now some of this is left over from my December daily, some of that gold stars. Some of this was wrapped around packages, so we've got some purple twine. This came in a Pinkfresh Studio warehouse box, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Love that. All of my Indigo Hills 1 collection came from a Pinkfresh Studio grab box, so that's why I don't have very many embellishments. And then I have this really beautiful yellow ribbon from American Crafts. And then Christina sent me white and gold leaf trim. So I have a ton of options here for using up some ribbon and trim. Hope you all enjoy this kit. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And until next time, bye!